Come on now, Taylor, in the swamps. Come on, honey, get up. I made some coffee. Oh, good morning, Grandma. Did you make some coffee? Yeah, I made some coffee. Okay. Well, I better get up, Dana. Oh, bonjour. Bonjour. Grandma made some coffee. I better get up. Better get up. I think it's going to be a good day. Yeah. So, welcome to Bonjour NANABOOZHOO, the podcast that starts in the first thing in the morning. Come on, get up. We got to get going. Yeah, okay, Grandma. I'm just going to do a show real quick. You want some eggs? Yeah, I'll take some eggs. Okay, get up. I gotta get to dialysis. Yeah, I know. Let me just do this thing first. Bonjour, NANABOOZHOO. Welcome to Bonjour NANABOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. So, what should our word be today? I think it's gonna be a good day. How about that? Wii-mino, giizhigad. Wii-mino, giizhigad. It's gonna be a good day. I know it's gonna be a good day. Okay. I guess I better get up. That's all I got for today. I'm not very good first thing in the morning. So okay, I'll talk to you later. Giizhigad. Oh wait. And have a good day. Giizhigad. Good day. Alright. Talk to you later.